Hello dear students, wish you a very good morning. Dear students, today I am going to make a video for class 10th student from their book First Flight, its very first lesson, A Letter to God. I am going to make its exercise, make you write its question and answer. So here is our first question. What did Lencho hope for? Answer is Lencho hoped for rains, as the only thing that his field of rye corn needed was a shower. Shower means बारिश की बौछार. Next question. Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? दूसरा प्रश्न है कि लेंचो रेन ड्रॉप्स को, बारिश की बूंदों को न्यू कॉइन्स क्यों कहता था, या क्यों उसने इनको न्यू कॉइन्स कहा. तो लेंचोज क्रॉप्स वर रेडी फॉर हार्वेस्ट एज रेन ड्रॉप्स वुड हैव हेल्प्ड इन गेटिंग अ बेटर हार्वेस्ट रिजल्टिंग इन मोर प्रॉस्पेरिटी. सो लेंचो कंपेयर्ड देम विथ न्यू कॉइन्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ डिड द रेन चेंज what happened to Lencho's field? Answer is the rain was pouring down, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow and very large hailstones began to fall along with the rain. All the crop in Lencho's field destroyed. Next question. What were Lencho's feeling when the hail stopped? After hail stopped, Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. He could see a black future for him and his family. He was worried about lack of food for the coming year. Next question. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? This is very important question. Listen it again. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? लेंचो को किस में और क्या विश्वास था और उसने उसके लिए क्या किया? आंसर है लेंचो हैड फेथ इन गॉड. ही बिलीव्ड दैट गॉड्स आईज सी एवरीथिंग, इवन what is deep in one's conscience. He wrote a letter to God saying that he needed 100 pesos to sow his field again. Next question. Who read the letter? ये क्वेश्चन आपको पता होना चाहिए अगर आपने समरी को समझा है. तो who read the letter? लेटर को किसने पढ़ा? आंसर है पोस्ट मास्टर read the letter. What did the postmaster do then? Next question. What did the postmaster do then? Answer is the postmaster first laughed, but then he became serious. He was deeply moved by the writer's faith in God. He did not want to shake this faith, so he decided to collect the money and send it to Lencho. Next question. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? This is an important question. No. Answer is no. Lencho was not at all surprised to see the letter from God with money inside it. His confidence and faith in God was such that he had expected that reply from God. Next question. What made him angry? उसे किस बात पर क्रोध आया? Answer is when he finished counting money, he found only 70 pesos, but he demanded 100 pesos. He was confident that God could never make a mistake nor deny him what he had requested. Therefore, he concluded that the post office employees must have taken the remaining 30 pesos. Next question. Who does Lencho have complete faith in? Which sentence in the story tell you this? Answer is Lencho has complete faith in God. The sentence in the story that shows this are following. First, but in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Second, although the night, all through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Third is God. He wrote, "If you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year." Next, he wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still troubled, went to town. Fifth, God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lencho what he had requested. Fourth, it said, "God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me, send me rest, since I need it very much." Next question, why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? Answer is, postmaster was moved by Lencho's complete faith in God, so he decided to send money to Lencho. Moreover, the postmaster did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God, so he signed the letter God. It was a good folly to convey the message that God had himself written the letter. Next question, did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why and why not? Answer, no. Lencho did not try to find out who had sent the money to him. This is because he had great confidence in God and never suspected that it could be someone else other than God who would send him money. His faith in God was so strong that he believed that God had sent him the money. Okay, dear students, these are the questions for today. Note down them and learn them. If you have any difficulty related word meaning, you can ask me in comment section. I'll reply them. Okay, have a nice day.